Y'all, this is Taji.
Hola.
She said hola. She's doing a part of the arts and crafts that I need for the video I'm about to make. So, this is Taji. And y'all know who that is.
Hey. What's up, y'all? Y'all know how I do.
I'm done.
Minda.
And cut. Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T, and I want to show you how I made a really quick and easy earring holder. I'm going to be using this at a pop-up shop. So, I'm using 2 baker's racks and 1 napkin holder for this process. And what you need is 2 baker's racks, a napkin holder, and some zip ties. And optional items you may need is glue, cardstock, and vinyl. Those are optional. Now, as you saw, Taji was making the cardstock for me, covering it with vinyl so I could put it in between the 2 baker's sheets because I wanted them not to be so plain looking. Just wanted some color behind it. You know what I mean. So, here you see me trying to glue the cardstock to the baker's rack. And I just used 2. That's why she covered the front and the back. And now I'm putting it on the paper towel holder. It's great that paper towel holders and baker's racks and things can be used other than their original purpose. So here you see me zip tying the rack, and I didn't pull it tight until I got the other one in. So we're going to pull it really, really tight as you can get it, and pull it up. There you go, pull it all the way up. I'm talking to myself on here, wow. So there you have it. So the zip ties are officially connected to the paper towel holder. And I actually thought I could zip tie it like that to the top, but I couldn't. It didn't stay. But I took care of that later on. So basically what you're going to do is zip tie the corners. You're going to zip tie the middle because you want it to stay in place. That's Taji holding it for me because I wasn't getting it together. And then I kept getting cramps in my hands, so we had to deal with that too. Now I'm just cutting off. These are the super long zip ties that they have at Dollar Tree because they didn't have any of the short ones. So I had to go forward with the long ones, which to me is really a waste, but they still get the job done because that was a lot of zip tie left. But anyway, I'm still trying to work on that middle to make sure that everything stays secure and that this baker's rack doesn't keep falling from the top. I needed to stay at the top because I have longer earrings, and I want the earrings to be able to not drag on the table. So now I'm cutting the ends. I'm putting the zip tie on the end and cutting it off. I'm doing the same thing to the bottom, so I do it to all 4 corners. And this process is so simple and easy. Like, you can really do this in 5 minutes. That was my glove with my hot water in it because my hand kept cramping up. Whew. That's the 4th corner. It looks a little tacky right now, but it's going to get the job done because I would like to display my earrings. That's some wire that I got because I was making wire earrings at one point, and I used that wire also to make bracelets. And it's very pliable, as you can see, and very easy to cut. And I did get that from Amazon. Now you see me taking that wire, and that's what I'm using to apply the earrings to the baker's rack. These earrings I made myself, and I'm going to be using them at the pop-up shop, Lord willing, if it's the Lord's will to go. So I have several pair of earrings that I put on there. Actually filled up the whole baker's rack on the front side and a few on the back, but you'll see that at the end. Now, that black tab was split and I didn't know it. I tried to hang it, then I tried to glue it. And instead of being patient and letting the glue set up, I tried to hang it right away, and you're going to see it fall again. Oopsie. That's what happens when you're impatient. Anyway, I'll move on to the next pair of earrings after I glue it, because I figure I better let it sit down for a minute. So I'll move on to the next pair of earrings, and here you have it. You just twist the wire. And so what happens is when I go to the pop-up shop and somebody wants a pair of earrings, I just cut the wire off because it's so easy to cut. As you can see, I did the front. I used the front and the back. That is it. That is it. That is it. Isn't that nice? Using my turntable. It's all good. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. And I appreciate you. All right, later.